Up for sale, 1953 Cadillac Series 62. I'm gonna walk around it, tell you about the car, fire it up, and then drive it. If you do enjoy the video, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel if you want to see more videos like this. Thank you. Like I said, 53 Cadillac Series 62. I guess it's a Coupe de Ville because it's a hard top. It's got its original 331 motor in it, turbo Hydramatic, and a title that dates back to 1975 for this car, of course. And of course, like I always do, walk around it, talk about the car, point out anything that jumps out at me. We'll fire it up and then we'll drive it. So here we go. We'll start on the driver's side fender here. First off, paint is gorgeous. There's a little bit, I know you're picking up, a little bit of a custom, little beautiful pearl to it. Like a mint green, not mint green, a little mint green, a little more mint, but on the bluer side than green. Thick white wall tires with the factory hubcap on it. The bright work here on the front side, as you see here. Maybe pressed in a small bit, but very nice still. I'm not really seeing any chips here. The hood alignment, I know there's a chip here where the three, you know, this, and this come together. There's a small chip, but the hood alignment's pretty nice. The chrome on the car is about, I would say, the worst part, and it's not that bad. It's just, you know, as you see here, a little foggy. It's not like pitting, like where that rust is coming out, but it's just foggy. It's got a haze to it, especially on that lower bumper. But the bezels here are not as bad. I mean, it's probably all original. This is actually very nice, just a little bit, with the piece that goes down the center of the hood. The windshield is very nice, as well as the trim that goes around it. Give me a second here, I'm going to put my phone down and pop the hood. There's the original 331. Actually, very nice engine compartment. All the black in here is very clean, nicely finished. As well as the firewall with the, it's got a new battery in it, of course. You see the trim tag up there. Four-barrel carb, and the VIN is stamped on the pad down there. It's power steering. I mean, the worst thing in here is that this is ripped, but you can replace that, of course. But everything actually looks very nice in here. You got your factory jar. Underhood's not bad either. Nope, that was it. Here's an old sticker, 1968 in Pennsylvania. So 15 years, when the car was 15 years old. I see it, and I know you see it. A couple little marks on this lower door jamb there. Pretty straight on the quarter. Let's see the door. There we go. I know there's a little indentation right here in the door. And then the fender here. Not bad, not bad. Actually, let's look at that again. Because I know the wave throws a little waviness into there, but not bad at all. Keep going. Glass again here. Super nice. As well as a lot of this trim here. Top of the car is a darker green, and it's got the same little bit of pearl to it, which complements the mint green very nicely, and is actually pretty much the color of the interior, as you see there. Nice weather stripping in the door. Really nice door panel here. Again, you got that darker green there with a secondary lighter green that complements the other greens. Super nice seats, no rips on them. Very nice. Both front and back. Door panels, headliner. Factory steering wheel here with the turbo Hydramatic, so you know what that means. No park. Again, how it's supposed to be. Carpet's really nice there again, not really too worn. Let's look at the back. Same deal there. We'll keep going. Fender skirts on these giant tires. Let me grab the keys out of it. Nice attention to detail here on the piping, this factory accent, as well as the fitment of the trunk, the back deck there. I mean, this whole section is very nice. Hard to do with one hand. Where you feel the gas. Back bumper, same as the front. A little bit more fogginess, and I would say just a little bit more actually coming through, as you'll see here. I mean, presentable, yeah, of course. But boy, these stupid things. Come on, baby. There we go. Spare. Nice kit here. And then there's visors that go in front. I'm very impressed with the quality of the underhood. My camera blurry? I'm sorry. Oh my gosh, there's another bee. A little bit of marking on this piece of trim there. Also, the underneath of the car, detailed to perfection. I got a picture of that will be on the ad. Very pretty dash. 53 Cadillac, Series 62, hardtop, 331. Turbo Hydramatic automatic with power steering. Beautiful colors. And as you see, I'm not saying too much about it because there's really not too much to carry on about, like sometimes there are. Looks like a little drip right there on the paint. And I see a couple marks right on that piece of trim. Keep going here. And I'm noticing right here, looks like a couple runs in the clear on that side. Let me look at the other side, see if it's the same thing. Just looks right there on that side. So again, we are going to fire it up now and then drive it. So here we go.